pensé que estando en Estados Unidos iban a volver a tomar, a subirme a la bestia y activamos otra vez, claro que sí. Activamos de mojarras acá en medio de todos los americanos. Bye, bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Acá nos están despidiendo y vámonos. Damos una vuelta a la felicidad, claro que sí. Claro que sí, invito a todo el público que se deje venir a disfrutar de esta aventura que no se va a arrepentir, por supuesto.
Well, again, welcome aboard, everybody. There's a lot of history to discover out here. Start with that spur track coming up ahead on the left side there with that tank car. Now, all the equipment you're going to see piled up there, including the nifty little Ford Model A, but actually not including that green diesel. 2 steam locomotives we operate here. These freight cars you're riding in, everything we have except those 2 green diesels. I mean, the green diesel and the black diesel. Came from the west side lumber company thing they own. 5 wood-burning steam locomotives got scrapped, 4 of which were chaise like in front of you. The rolling stock, even the track got turned into razor blades. That's why we purchased this equipment from the west side. We relayed traffic on a line that Madeira should find and use from 1908 to 1924. Coming through the scenic overlook, courtesy of the 2017 wildfire that